This is Bea from Mama Bea's Kitchen. I hope everybody had a great day today. I'm gonna show you how to make banana coconut bread. This bread, guys, is so yummy, moist. I tell you, if you make this bread, you're gonna make it every single week. Okay guys, let's get right into it. You know Mama Bea doesn't like wasting time. Here are the ingredients. 1 1/3 cup of self-raising flour. I have sugar. Then I have 3 bananas, 1 egg, vanilla, sour cream, coconut virgin oil, cinnamon, and coconut flakes. Okay, we're gonna start off by putting our dry ingredients together. I'm gonna add sugar, cinnamon. Then I'll mix all the ingredients together. Next, I'm gonna take my fork and mash the bananas, just like so, guys. Next, into my bananas, I'm gonna add coconut virgin oil. And mix this together. With this recipe, guys, you don't need mixer. It depends. You can use a mixer, but I don't normally use the mixer. Then I'm gonna add my sour cream. One egg. And vanilla. Then I'm gonna combine all this together. You can use a whisk, fork, whatever that works good for you. Okay, just like so. This is how our mixture will look. Now I'm gonna add the coconut into my flour, then take the whisk and mix it in. Next, I'm gonna make the well. Then add my wet ingredients into the flour. Using the spatula, I'm gonna mix all the ingredients together. Just like so. Lastly, I'll add half a cup of milk. Then we're gonna mix all this together. Now our mixer is ready. I have mini loaf pans here that are greased and floured. I'm gonna divide this batter into the pans. Okay. Our pans are ready now. They're all filled. I'm gonna tap them to remove air bubbles. Then I'll place them in the baking tray and bake them for 55 to 60 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Okay, our bread is done. I'm gonna take my toothpick and check if it's done. You see, guys, the toothpick comes out clean. That means that our bread is done. So I'm gonna let it cool on the rack for 15 minutes. There you have it, guys. Banana coconut bread. Try it, guys. Let me know how it turned out in the comments down below. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Guys, please share this video with your friends and please subscribe. Until next time, bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honeys.